Hello, it's me. I was wondering if after all these years you'd like to meet to go over everything. They say the time's supposed to heal ya. I ain't done much healing. Hello, can you hear me? I'm in California dreaming about who we used to be when we were younger and free. I've forgotten how it felt before the world fell at our feet. There's such a difference between us and a million miles. Out on the other side, I must have called 1,000 times to you. Sorry, everything that I've done when I call you never seemed to be whole. Hello, how are you? It's so typical of me to talk about myself. I'm sorry. I hope that you will. Did you ever make it out of that town where nothing ever happened? It's no secret that the both of us are running out of time. So out on the other side, I must have called 1,000 times to you. Sorry for everything that I've done when I call you never seem to be home. Out on the outside, at least I can say that I've tried to you. Sorry for breaking your heart, but it don't matter. Clearly doesn't tear you apart anymore.
Want to get this?
Hello?